Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon. So,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. So today we are here for the group discussion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
the group 1 candidates are Nishi, Shraddha, Ashish, Ankur, and Priya. Okay, students. So
Yes, ma'am.
for the GD purpose, the theme is COVID-19 and its economic distancing. So I hope the topic is clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you are
Absolutely.
aware. All of you are aware about the current situations and circumstances.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we start, or you people need time?
No,
Ma'am,
we should.
start.
We can start.
Okay, start.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Myself, Ashish, and I'm a student of MBA first year at United Institute of Management, Greater Noida. All of us are gathered here to discuss the impact of COVID-19, coronavirus disease 19, over our economic system. My first point is based on the manufacturing unit. As we all know, manufacturing units are the heart of a nation's economy because for the trade and income purpose, we have to manufacture and export. But in the current situation, all of us are focused on work from home situation or the scenario, and the key segment of Indian manufacturing have started shutting down. Like if we talk about the manufacturing unit, they are following the rules and the guidance provided by the state and the central government, and which is good for the health of their worker. But if I talk about the loss, which is going to be occur, is approximately $350 million, which is extremely bad. Like I have some numbers to share with you guys. If I talk about trade for India, the trade impact is estimated to be the most for the chemical sector worth $129 million. And then the textile like for $64 million, automotive sector $34 million, and electric machinery approximately $12 million, which is a huge number. And at the same time, the major percentage holded by the MSMEs, but in current situation, micro, small, and medium enterprise exporter will be impacted more by the current lockdown on account of COVID-19 pandemic, as the sector accounts for over 45% in the country's total trade. The sector also contributes about 25% to the country's GDP from service activity, over 33% to the manufacturing output of India. Well, my only statement is India will suffer very badly as the which will be the MSMEs exporter. They will also face issue in calling back their worker on several of them having migrated by their place or to their village and town, which is really tough to call them back.
So, yeah, I totally agree with you, Ashish. But thing is that if we are talking about the safety measures for employees, employee safety is need of the hour. Still, with no experience of dealing with a virus that has the potential to spread rapidly, most companies are brushing off their hands by asking the employees to stay home. Some of the organization, however, the implementing measures like temperature screening, disinfection of office premises, setting of COVID-19, response teams, distribution of COVID-19, precautionary packages. And if I'm talking about the service sector, so basically, obviously, it's the short-term effect as well as a long-term effect. Anyone agree about this
Yeah,
thing?
yeah, completely agree with you, Shraddha. Short-term effect. If you said short-term effect, then it covers wages, income, poverty, etc. And when it comes to long-term effects, it carry loss of human capital, infrastructure deteriorations, etc. Yeah, which is a very well point. It has both impact, short-term effect and long-term effect. And not only this, I think inflation also, because of COVID-19, there's a huge inflation in an economy, and I think which is not good for the economy. So yeah, COVID-19 has a very bad impact. Current, like if I look into the economy, it's a worst position in an economy because of COVID-19. So yeah, completely.
Yeah. So,
What do
but
you think?
Priya, yeah. So, if Priya, I'm talking about the wages and income falls due to the COVID-19,
Yes.
it is a very impact creates on the labor society, especially because they are on daily basis, but because of this disease, they are not able to go outside, and they
Yeah,
they
and
suffer
also
from
they are
hunger.
below poverty line. And yes, because they are also below poverty line, so they don't have their savings also because nobody is prepared for it. Okay, when it no matter what, it's below poverty line, or it's from middle class, nobody is prepared. But when it comes to your financial position, middle class family can survive, upper middle class can survive, but it is very difficult for the below poverty line, for the poverty line. So yeah, they are. It's a very worse position for them also.
Yeah,
Actually, at
because
this
of the
scenario, we should appreciate the effort of government. Like they are providing the daily wages and the food materials, which is really tough to provide. Like we are the second most populated country, and still they are doing this much great. I should say this. Like they are like they are doing
Yeah,
really
yeah,
good.
yeah, which is yeah, exactly, which is good. But still, there are lots of people who are like they don't even care. They're still running out from the country when no matter what it's from labor or any other the company labor. Like still, they are going out from the like your country. If, I
yeah,
know
Yes,
but
they are
Priya,
getting
I
reason
agree to
paid.
that. As
but
we have
reason is
also
that
heard in news, as we have
Yes,
also heard in news that quite a few days back, when there was a lockdown period of 1 to 15 days period of lockdown, we heard that
yes.
number of thousands of people gathered at a community place just to worship. And now they are traveling all over the states in the country, hiding their travel history, hiding if they are affected or not. So what do you say about that? They are why they are hiding and why they are traveling knowing that they are positively infected by COVID-19.
Yeah, I
Because I
totally agree with your point. I totally agree with your point.
yeah,
Like they are just worried, and just because of that, they are hiding. But this is not the real cut to cut scenario, and we should catch them as soon as possible because it can cause a brutal
we can try
scenario
to
if I talk
stop
about a
them,
nation.
but yeah, definitely, as Ashish said, we can't catch them. Yeah, we can try to stop them, but we can't catch them. Exactly, it's not all up to
Uh,
us, it's all up to them.
But my
How
question
uh,
is,
they
students,
understand
you
it.
how
are
we are going to do that?
students, you are going out of the
No,
track. The topic is economic constraint only.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just going to tell that we are
Mhm.
discuss on the economy, not the people what are they are doing on the coronavirus outbreak. So
so
talking
basically
about
because of this
they are
because of
still
the
interconnected.
yeah, but because of the
yeah, but
Ma'am,
COVID-19,
that is why
it
the point
decreases
is
the
coming
poverty. It decreases the
again.
poverty basically
Everything
because
is interconnected.
again,
yeah,
if we
How
are
but
how
talking
can it decrease poverty, Shraddha?
obviously it
As
increased
you
the
said,
poverty because of
you
COVID-19.
said, na, it decreased the poverty.
It increased the poverty. Sorry, it increased the
Yes,
poverty because
Arati,
obviously
I'm bad.
about 40 crores workers in India working in the informal economy matlab are at risk of falling deeper into poverty during this COVID-19 academic.
yeah,
So
exactly
obviously,
because yes, because 75% of the Indian are self-employed and the casual workers. So they people are in the worst situation more. And news also come out with the airline sector or the hotel sector, the people who are working there they lost their job. 4 to 5 crore people lost their job. This is a more value we are talking about here. Like economy downs there, economic lockdown is a devastating situations. We are currently facing the devastating situation. Or if we are talking about like a particular sector, like Ashish telling about the manufacturing sector, if I'm telling about the automobile sector, India's automobile sector also earn a huge revenue from their like 2,000 crore revenue India's getting on the automobile sector. Now there were situations like everything is shut down. Automobile sectors, most of the parts of the automobile sector we are purchased from the China. But now you all know that the consignment is totally shut down because of that coronavirus outbreak. Now, if we purchase that automobile parts from the different countries, basically it is increase our cost. So this is the main impact on the automobile sector, or more many sectors with the same
I
perspective, I guess.
I totally disagree. When it comes to the economy, first of all, we should learn how we can manufacture so that we can boost our economy initially. Like if we are purchasing the parts from someone else, instead of purchasing, we can manufacture it so that we can assist our economy to get boosted. So it's a
So
great
you
opportunity
think,
for us Indian people, so that we can work on it and so that we can prepare a pro forma where we can learn how we can do in a better way and
so
stop
you think that
buying
we have a
other
proper
products.
raw material for that?
Actually, we have. We have each and everything. We have all the like required supply, but we don't know how to utilize. When it comes to the costing, there we lack only.
Yeah, I totally
Speaking
agree with your
about the
point, Ashish.
economy,
Yeah. But
speaking
thing is
about the
that for
economy, does anyone have the idea how much the stock markets are hit? I have some figures. Stock markets in India lost about Sensex fell to 4,000 points, that is 13.15%, and Nifty fell 1,115 points, that is 12.98%. So, does anyone have the idea how the country will boost up after this COVID-19?
Actually, if I talk about our Sensex and the records, like if I take an example of 20,000 points, we got the fall of 4,000 points. And after that, we got the hike of 1100. So that is not a hike. Okay, the number is big, but the hike is not that special, because if we talk about an example, from 20,000, we got the 16,000, and then we got the 17,000 with a hike of 1,000 plus something point. So that is not a huge hike. Okay, like it's a kind of a situation where we are trying to just match our previous pace, but it's not a huge amount of hike or something. So this is just a kind of situation where we are seeing the blink portion or the glittery portion, but the reality is something extremely different.
But Ashish, you know that our whole economy is dependent upon the fuel and power. So you have any idea about that and fuel? How can manage with that fuel and power? Fuel and power.
Fuel and power, you're talking about the crude and the raw materials,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Like if I talk about the fuel, first of all, the crude oil, right now it is a good situation. It is a good chance to purchase a good amount of stock for the crude, but we are not focusing there also. Like we are only based on the we are only talking about the COVID and other thing. When it comes to the international trade, we should know how we can get a chance to hit a bar in a better way or in a best way. So this is the time where we can like utilize this particular situation to purchase the crude, as per my knowledge. And when it comes to raw material or the parts or the semi-finished goods, whatever we import from China, China and other country, well, we have the lots and lots of resources. Like we have a huge number of unemployed people. We can utilize their knowledge with some amount of resources to like produce a better option, to get a better option as
Yeah,
compared to
like the
like
India can
importing or
use the
something.
renewable energy rather than a fuel and power. They can use the renewable energy for then in the industries.
But still, if we
If I
can use
talk about,
renewable
okay,
energy, we need people to operate upon. But by staying at home, we cannot use renewable energy or we cannot run machines that are running on renewable energy sources.
obviously.
exactly.
So yeah, so basically, I totally agree with your Ankur and Ashish. But thing is that if you Ashish, you talked about the manufacturing, but for the manufacturing this time we need service. We need people for that. But you know that ki, according in this lockdown, nobody go outside. So it and
Exactly.
those people who work from home, it also impacts on that. If I'm talking about the income falls, and we all know because of decrease in the economic, companies deduct the 15% to 20% employee salary because there is less money in the
Sometimes 30
market.
also.
Yeah, which is there is less money in the market, which creates the this imbalance in their daily and life and creates the income falls. So obviously it is not genuine for those as well.
Because manufacturing is that kind of work which you can't perform at your home. I know it's a work from home, but you can't perform it all at home. You have your proper space to do that. So yeah, for some time, everyone has to manage it because it's a very bad position in an economy. So everyone has to manage it. Nobody can't do it anything on this.
Yes, but Priya, if I'm talking about the effects for the long term, in your point of view, what are the long term effects of COVID-19?
Well, if I like get the chance to talk about the long term, like sorry to interrupt you both, but long time effects are some, at some extent it is bad, at some extent it is good. Like we are getting the chance to prove ourselves, like being the second most populated country, having the good number of illiterate people, sorry to say that, but we have, and still we are managing and we are like proving that we are good in terms of managing this type of like pandemic situation or the crisis. So
Yeah,
yes,
which is
it
true.
will help
Yeah, which is true.
in
And
terms of
there's a one
global market.
example of this. Sorry for cutting you, but you can say an example also. Like Louis Vuitton is switching to make their hand sanitizers, and Dyson is making ventilators. So yeah, if there is a bad impact, then there is some kind of positive impact in an economy, so that everyone
Exactly.
can stay safe. Like, which is a great thing by Louis Vuitton and Dyson.
But if I'm talking about the long-term impact in infrastructure deterioration, then the COVID now,
Yeah.
if we all know the COVID-19 led slowdown is likely to hurt the prospects of infrastructure players severely, and companies where which we already feeling the heat on projects execution and project closures may face more uncertainties after that this COVID-19. So Priya,
Sorry,
you
that
told us
wasn't
about.
audible.
Hello.
So Priya, you told
Yes.
about
Yes, can you
the
please
yeah.
repeat?
So yeah. So Priya, you told about the infrastructure deterioration in long-term effect. So you
Yeah.
have any idea about it? Obviously, there are many projects. This time they face more uncertainties related to the project completion because of the COVID-19 in future, and they invest in crores in that project. But because of the decrease in the economy, they suffers from that futures order flows. So, Ankur, in your point of view, it is good or bad for the economy?
See, in my point of view, no one was prepared about this global epidemic, first of all. No one was prepared. Like, if I'm in a certain project, I'm investing crores. I don't have any idea what will happen tomorrow. I don't have any idea that the vaccine will be discovered tomorrow or it will take a year. So we can't say that if I'm investing and with investments comes a risk. So this is the risk we can talk about, which comes with investing.
Okay,
Yes,
Exactly,
so
I
exactly.
totally agree
Because
with you.
COVID-19 led slowdown is likely to hurt prospect of infrastructure and players severally. And the companies also, which are already feeling the hard on project execution and project, as you said, closures, may face more uncertainties related to the project completion, new project financing, and for the future orders flow also. So
yes,
these kind
yes.
of like disbalance because of infrastructure deteriorations. These are the basic challenges for them because of the COVID-19.
Yeah, and the recent channel, अगर बात करें, the recent channel checks by the SDFC Securities show that the call for Janta curfew has resulted in project
Yes,
site. Yeah, so
exactly.
obviously,
And player in the engineering procurement construction EPC, transmission and distribution, which is TND, road construction, building segments are all seeing their project progress getting impact with the central and state governments.
Okay, so
but players in the engineering procurement and construction, basically EPC, transmission and distribution.
Yes.
Yeah.
okay,
These
so
are
I
Thinking about
the
the major
challenges
projects or
for the company.
infrastructure, what we can do is that forget about the future. What we have right now, we can focus on that. Rather than taking the project for the future, we can complete
We
the
can
project.
start planning. All we can do is a better planning, is a basic start, as we all know that they can
But
plan, they can make a team, like the team of all the leaders, and they can plan for what they can do after the lockdown, when the lockdown ends, what they can do for for their growth, for like overcome their situation. So they can plan. If they utilize their time for the better planning, strategic planning, so yeah, they can achieve, and maybe they can be successful.
okay, now the
Yes, I totally
conclusion.
agree with you, Priya ma'am. I totally agree with you. And wait a minute, ma'am. I would like to include some more
Okay,
points. Like, it's a great
okay,
opportunity for our nation to take the charge. Like, when I talk about the nation,
Exactly.
we have a huge population. Still, we are good in terms of managing. So that's why I'm telling this. And few days back, we saw our national leader. He took the chance to to have a conversation with the SARC nations and the other things, and he was the leader over there. So this is a great opportunity. Like, being a nation and being a person of this nation, I would say like we should we should take the chance and we should take the step ahead.
Okay.
Yes, exactly. Totally agree with you, Ashish. And I think it's a good after lockdown. I think we can do it. Every like
take
in
an
companies. If I
opportunity.
talk about automobiles, yeah. If I talk about automobiles, if I talk about labors, I think soon after the
Exactly.
lockdown ends, we'll achieve all this. I think
Exactly.
like it's
Instead of focusing
it's
on import, we
difficult,
should
I
focus
know, but if
more
we
on
work
the
on
export.
that, yeah, we can definitely do that.
Exactly.
Yes. Yeah. So
And we
yeah,
all
they
know
can.
that the current scenario is more important than the life. Life is more important than just to focus on the economy, the best.
Exactly.
What we
Exactly.
can
Totally
focus
agree
upon
with
is production. What we can focus
Yeah.
upon is
Yes.
production. We have to produce more so we can export more. And
Yeah,
if we will
obviously.
export more,
Exactly.
we will
like
earn
everyone
foreign
is aware
revenue.
about it, so yeah, they can understand the situation. Everyone,
Yeah.
every country is aware
Everyone
about
is.
this COVID-19. So yeah, they can
So
understand.
this is
There are
because
delays
this is
also.
not
There are
about
so many. Yes.
yeah,
Exactly.
because this is
Exactly. There
not
are
about the
delays.
India. This is about the whole world. So I think
Yeah.
everyone is facing the same situation that India faced right
Yeah.
now.
So obviously,
I
everyone
I
has to
am
understand
totally
each
yeah.
other's.
I'm totally agree with Ankur. Production is more important because if we produce more, then we will export more. So obviously, it creates better impact on our economy.
Exactly.
So yeah, basically, if I conclude these all the things, yes, it is the right that the impact of COVID-19 on our economy is very vast. Either it is on manufacturing sector, service sector, or the automobile sector, etc. Because every section of the society, whether it is a working or into business, all suffers because of this disease. And especially, it creates a loss of those people who earn on daily wages on the survival. And because of lack in supply, sailor sells the groceries on high rates because of excessive demands, which creates inflation. I think you all are agree with my point.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So students, okay, we are ending up our discussion over here only. It's a good session, and all of you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
taken participated in a very
Thank
good
you so
manner.
much, ma'am.
Okay. So I will be
Thank you so
sharing.
much, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. It's okay. I will be sharing the feedback via mail to you regarding this GD session. Stay
Okay,
home,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
stay safe. Don't need to go anywhere out. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
Thank
much,
much,
ma'am.
ma'am.
you. Thank
Welcome.
you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.